Hello, everybody. I will start presentation of our vision company structures and information about the product. Next slide. Our vision and goal is to be an important part of Industry 4.0. Our structures, we represented a group of companies with Polish capital. 4 members of this group, Fideltronic is EMS, FinTech integrator, IROP and IROP Academy. This is the software, AI, and the vision system factories. Today I will present the product of IROP. IROP Expert was nominated as one of the 5 most interesting products at this Vision Award. Thank you so much for this recognition. IROP Expert is a quality assurance solution for the electronic manufacturing industry. How does this work? The cameras are mounted above the product line, such as manual assembling station, conveyor lines, or robotic station. Here we can see manual assembling station, where the operator has a monitor with a dedicated application and a computer platform connected to the factory servers. After the operator has completed his activity, the quality test is performed, and the verdict of the test tells the operator if the work is completed correctly or not. There is no way that the defected product can leave this station. Let me tell you about the same of the amazing features of this solution. First of all, detection is performing using the AI models that are categorized under the different group of the components and the problems. Also, the product has been specifically designed to work with the THT component that are usually assembled manually and they often cause problems. This solution takes advantage of the current environment. When installing the system, we do not have to make changes in the production line. What is important? A new installed station uses the knowledge and the experience of the other station. The system is scalable from a single station to hundreds of stations. And lastly, no programming skills are required to use it. EMS is often a high-mix environment, which means we often have to introduce new product. That's why it is very important to do it quickly and easy. Creating such a reference is easy, and it took only a few minutes. Let me now look at the server software features. Multiple users with different permissions can log in into the system. Here we create the new product reference. We can also duplicate the data, creating complex reference of up to several hundred items. The server stores all of the pictures of the factory tests. What is the most important? We have a real-time viewer of all the stations in the factory, where we get the information about every test, every error, every operator, and current production performance. And lastly, the quality control department has access to the report on the product, operator, and errors, and the heat map. Why did we name this solution Expert? This intelligence of the system is based on the neural networks that decide on the quality test verdict. But it is not the AI network that should be given the most credit, but the well-prepared learning data. It took us several years to work on the data classification, during which time we collected millions of the pictures and classified them. Today we can say that the IROP Expert can achieve better performance than human. In the electronic manufacturing, it's easy to correct the errors before the soldering process. So our solution focuses on the testing before this process. In Fideltronic factories, we have about 60 stations installed for the production quality verification. In order to give you any idea of the problems that the system have to solve, I will present same selected examples. You can just see the typical electronic component where we're looking for the missing of the component. We also check the object localization, positioning, rotation. We check the connectors, radial component insertion, assembling problems, problem with the damaged isolator, missing screw, connectors, error of colors. We have also the problem with the PC mask, protection, lighting, errors in missing the connectors. Another example with the cable, screw. Also the process like the siliconing, seal, soldering, painting coatings, packing. I would like to invite you everyone to the interested in this subject to come and talk to us. At our booth we will present demonstrating the robotic station which is connected with the VIS Expert quality test function. Our staff will be able to help you and define the solution. Thank you so much for your attention.